Hi everyone, welcome to Verbal Ability Training module. Today we are going to learn how to rearrange jumbled words. So everyone, let us see how do we rearrange jumbled words. Right? You all know the sentence construction must be in the following form. First of all, we place subject, then verb and then object. Right? So this is how we are going to rearrange jumbled words also to frame a sentence. So let us learn about the tips to arrange jumbled words. The first thing is this: try to find out the topic addressed by the paragraph. This can be done by looking for the words that are repeated often in the given sentences. If a particular word is repeated in more than one sentence, then the sentences can be placed one by one in the paragraph, right? Next, if a sentence starts with the name of a person, then the sentence will definitely be the first sentence in the paragraph to be formed. If a sentence starts with pronouns other than I and you, then the sentence will not be the first sentence of the paragraph. And the next thing is the sentences which start with words like that, these, thus and those, then those sentences will not come first in the paragraph. If an article, namely a, an or the, is present at the starting of a sentence, then there are more chances of that sentence to be the first in the arrangement. If all the articles a and the are present as the starting words of different sentences, then they are arranged as follows. The sentence starting with a comes first. The sentences starting with an and the will follow the sentence starting with a according to their content. If there are three sentences starting with the words but, so and now respectively, then those three sentences will be arranged in the following order. First, the sentence that starts with but, the second sentence that starts with so, and the third sentence which starts with now. If the given set of sentences consists of simple, compound and complex sentences, then they are arranged in the following order. First, we place simple sentence, a sentence that consists of basic elements like a subject, a verb and a completed thought. For example, Amit waited for the bus. Next, compound sentence, a sentence that consists of two independent clauses connected to one another with a conjunction. For example, Amit waited for the bus but the bus was late. Next, we place complex sentence, a sentence that consists of an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses connected to it. For example, Amit realized that the bus was late while he waited at the bus stop, or while he waited at the bus stop, Arun realized that the bus was late. If a sentence starts with the words hence, finally or therefore, then that sentence comes last in the arrangement. So these were the tips for rearranging jumbled words to frame a sentence. Students, I hope this lecture must have been helpful for you. Thank you.